Hello, dear friends. This is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how to change the name of your AirPods headphones in your iPhone. When you connect, the name of your headphones is displayed, and now we're going to change it. To do this, you take one headphone. Now close the case, go into Bluetooth, or you just plug in your headphones. Once connected, I go into my iPhone settings, and I click on headphones, and then you'll come up with name. You press it, and now you can write absolutely any new name for your headphones. You can put a name or something, and then save. As you can see, it's a very quick and easy way. Done. Nothing complicated at all. If you like this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel, and also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye-bye. See you later.